This is Huawei Honor 20E. We have to change the screen. We try to use the glue alcohol for the open the back. To make sure glue, we need a proper glue.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
welcome to the bus of repair. So as you can see now, we're starting by removing the back glass. Now, to see that this is a fantastic repair by one of the top technicians is that all the glue will remain
Yes.
same as the original, and it was done in a style and gentle way.
Yes. We need that for the when we fix properly. We need this glue, isn't it?
And I think this technician is using one of the technique of the master Shi Muhammad, who is using
Kind
basic syringe for
for alcohol.
alcohol dissolving glue.
Yeah.
And this is the art of
Mohammed had
Tai Chi Kung Fu repairs.
Chai si kung fu face, yeah. Chai si, yeah.
Don't forget. Look.
Hmm?
Don't forget.
Yes.
Touch.
Nice touch, yeah. Make sure you remove the battery.
So it was water damage, yeah?
Yep. On the screen.
Did you hit it from the back?
Huh?
From here?
No. I just open it.
Why is...
I put on there for the open. This is the LCD we put on the heating plate now.